my name is Dr. Chris Gubbels from Square One, and today we're doing our very first series in our four-part series of what we call Pedibond Spinal Rehab. And this is to show you, if you're a patient, to make sure you're doing this at home and you can watch these videos. And then if you're not a patient, you can see some of the things we do here that's different than what a lot of chiropractic offices do. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over this 6-way stretch of the neck muscles. And because when you come in, we got to get your spine ready and prepared to get adjusted so your muscles are more loose and more relaxed. And this helps your adjustments be a lot more effective, and it actually helps us correct more things. And it actually makes things a lot more comfortable on your part because your spine is warmed up. So what we're going to do is we're going to stretch a group of muscles here in the front of your neck, and we're going to stretch some muscles here in the side, and then we're going to stretch some of the muscles in the back. And I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do that. So this is a 6-way cervical strap, and this allows me to stretch the muscles more without having to use a lot of my own body. And so when I do this, how I would do is I'd put it over the head, and then I'm just going to put this strap under my leg, and I'm going to keep good posture. I'm going to pull this strap right here and just let it hold. And what it's doing is it's actually stretching the muscles back here in my neck like this. Now, I would normally hold this for about 40 seconds because that allows the muscles to relax. And I can feel that just stretching from the base of my skull all the way down to the shoulder blade of my right side. Now, after I do that for 40 seconds, I'm going to do the right side. I would do the other side. And then I'm going to work on the muscles on the side of my neck. And to do that, what I would do is I would just move this to the side of my head, bring this strap over my shoulder, just like so. Then I'm going to pull down on here, and you can see this strap is keeping me stretching, and it allows me to sit up good. So now I'm just stretching all my scalene muscles on the right side of my neck. And I would hold that for 40 seconds. Then after 40 seconds, I want to stretch these muscles in the front. I'm just going to slip this behind my head, and then I pull like this, and just a little adjustment. Now it's stretching all these muscles up front like this. So I would hold that for 40 seconds. Now, you can do all on one side then the other, or you can do the back on one side and the back on the other and go back and forth. If you don't have one of these straps, another way you can do this is just using your hands. This is a great thing to do throughout the day if you work on a computer, you sit a lot. And what you're going to do with this is you're just going to keep your posture good. You're going to kind of turn your head so your nose is pointing towards your knee. You're going to pull your head just like this. And here I can feel that stretching right here. After doing that for 40 seconds, we're doing both sides. Then I'm going to switch here, let the arm drape down, then I'm going to pull right here. And I can feel this stretch right there. And the last one I would do is I would pull my head right here. You can pull here or on your forehead. And I'm feeling these stretch right there. So you want to do this for at least 40 seconds because if the muscles are real tight and tense, that's long enough where it lets them relax and kind of lets those muscles give a little bit. And that's the first thing we do as far as stretching the neck muscles in our office.